Hi everyone, it's Eileen from the office. I figured we would do a little video to get you familiar with everything you would have ordered with your Right Start second edition manipulative kit and your book bundle. So we'll open up the box as if you would have just received it, and we'll go through and show you what everything is. First and foremost, grab your checklist, make sure everything is in the box. If not, call us in the office, that way we can get it out to you right away. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and start going through. So if you ordered a book bundle, here is what your book bundle should look like. You should have the teacher's manual, your lesson book. You should have your student worksheets, your appendice, and your yellow is the sun book. With level A, it'll be the same thing with level A. With level C, you won't have appendices. D, E, F, and so forth, you'll have your teacher's lessons book, student worksheets, and appendice pages. First thing would be the AL Abacus. You can call it an abacus, abaci, abacuses. You're correct on all forms. The next is the Right Start Math game book. This is very important to Right Start. This is most of your homework since we don't do a lot of worksheets. All your games are in here. And if you flip to the back, you'll find the DVD, which has the 14 most popular Right Start Math games. Place value cards. Your abacus tiles, and if you see, everything is marked. Got your folding meter stick. Your Giro boards, it's a pack of 2. And when you open them up, they'll be 2-sided. The rubber band and instruction sheets inside. Colored tiles. Casio calculator. 10 grams, yellow and green, and the colors will vary, and some will be red and blue. Your base 10 picture cards, again labeled on the back. Tally sticks. Your geared clock. Your Right Start 6 decks of cards that you'll use with your math card game book. Fraction charts. There'll be 2 sets in here. The smaller one is the one you will snap apart and use for the lessons. The drawing set. This will include the instructions, your 2 triangle safety compass T-square. Next on the list is the 4-in-1 ruler and the goniometer, which we now tape on the back of your drawing set so they don't get shifted and lost in the box for shipping. Your plastic coins. Geometry reflector. This too, sometimes colors will vary. You'll have your centimeter cubes. Your math balance, exclusive to Right Start geometry panels, geometric solids, your yellow is the Sun CD, and your dry erase pen. We're going to take a couple minutes and set up the math balance. We have a lot of phone calls on this, so we're just going to take a couple minutes and put it together. On the bottom of the base, there will be a little plastic bag. Instructions. In the bottom of the bag, you'll find 4 counterweights and the pin to hold the math card or the math balance together. Take the stand. You'll want to take your counterweights and slide them on the bottom Then you take your pin, put your cap on the other end to hold it tight. And these are your counterbalances. You'll want to slide these to get your math balance to balance. Pretty good. Then you'll have your weights. These are 10 grams. You'll put your 5 plus 4 equals 9. There you go. And if you guys are missing anything, have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. Like I said, I'm Eileen. I'm from the office. My number is 888-775-6284. Happy learning.